Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you a very beautiful poem. Its name is How Pleasant to Know Mr. Lear. This particular poem is written by Mr. Lear. Uh, Now you see these lines. These are from the poem. Um, How pleasant to know Mr. Lear. In this poem, Mr. Lear is a very peculiar type of character. He is a strange person. But in this particular line, how pleasant to know Mr. Lear, you can understand that he is some amazing personality. He has some contradiction in his character also. Some people think about him that he is a negative character, and some people think about him that he is a very fantastic person. So the poem is based on the theme of this topic. Who has written such volumes of stuff? It means that Mr. Lear, he has written this particular poem without naming somebody. Stuff means without naming somebody. Some think him ill-tempered and queer. Here, some means some people. Some people think him ill-tempered and queer. It means that some people thinks about him bad-tempered. Here, bad-tempered. Here, ill-tempered means bad-tempered, and queer means strange. So some people think about him as a strange person or peculiar person, and some people think about him as bad-tempered person. So here is a contradiction between his personalities. But a few find him pleasant enough. But a few person knows him very well. These people think about him that he is a very pleasant person. He is a very humorous person also. His mind is concrete and fastidious. It means that he is a very practical person. Concrete and fastidious means very practical. His nose is remarkably big. It means that he has some unusual type of nose. It means he has very big nose. It makes him something different personality. His visage is more or less hideous. It means that here visage means facial appearance. His facial appearance is also very hideous. It means that one cannot judge him easily. His beard, it resembles a wig. He has also a very long beard. And his beard, it seems that it is just like a wig which people wear on the head. He has ears and two eyes and 10 fingers. Just like common people, he has ears, he has two eyes and 10 fingers. He used to be one of the singers. On the passage of time, he wanted to be a great singer, but now he is one of the dumps. But anyhow, he has become silent. He is not singing right now. He has many friends, laymen and clerical. He has many friends in his life, including common people. Here, laymen means common people, and clerical means the person who are concerned with the churches. So he has connection with common people and the people who are concerned with the church, or the officials who are concerned with the church. Old Foss is the name of his cat. He has also a cat which is his company. He usually accompanies with the cat also. It means that he is animal lover also. His body is perfectly spherical. Here spherical means round. His body is round. He weareth a runcible hat. It means that he usually wears a different type of hat which is usually used by a silly person. So it makes him humorous character. He lives by the side of the ocean. When somebody criticizes about his personality, because he himself thinks about him that he is unfit in the society due to his uncommon or peculiar personality. He lives on the top of the hill. He sometimes becomes so much depressed that he goes near the top of the hill and he starts weeping there. He purchases pancakes and lotion and chocolate shrimps from the mill. Due to his depressed nature and depressed mood, sometimes he purchases pancakes. Pancakes means just like cakes or lotion, and chocolate shrimps. Chocolate shrimps means shellfish like chocolates, which has shellfish like shape. So he wants to overcome his agony or sadness by having chocolate shrimps or cakes. He reads, but he does not speak Spanish. It is Spanish. This line refers here that he knows English, so that he reads English books, but he does not speak Spanish. It means that he doesn't know Spanish language, so he is not able to speak Spanish language. He cannot avoid ginger beer. It means that ginger beer is his favorite drinking thing, so he likes it very much. Here, the days of his pilgrimage vanish. Means till then, the days of his pilgrimage. Pilgrimage means a holy journey. Vanish means to be ended. When the holy journey of his life will ended, up till now, people should know about him that how pleasant to know Mr. Lear, means how pleasant to know about his characteristic features. So students, in this particular poem, you have understood that Mr. Lear is a very fantastic character. He has contradiction in his character. Somebody thinks about him that he is a fantastic person, and somebody thinks that he is a negative character. But sometimes this type of feelings haunts him so much, so he becomes depressed in his life. Students, I hope that you have understood the important points of the poem. Now I am going to conclude the topic here. Till then, goodbye everyone.